give myself a look, I'm at the corner just in time to see the bus fly by. If the teacher pops a test, write and look and hand it in some models, I'm safe by the bell. It's alright, cause I'm safe by the bell.
Whew. So everyone, what do you guys think? We did a great show. We created a great show, Saved by the Bell. And I told you guys that we wanted to create a new show, a brand new show, something different. Does anybody have any recommendations that you wanted to, what'd you guys come up with? Let me know. What'd you guys come up with? We did a great show on Saved by the Bell. And now I want to see what we have next. What's the next hit show that we are going to have? I have a good one. You right there. What is yours? What is your recommendation? How about a Saved by the Bell? How about we bring it back, but with this flavor right here?
Remember all the dances we had in this gym? Ever wish you could go back?
Sure do.
You're an honors English?
Duh, it's an honor to teach me.
Is it just me or the seniors at the school really old looking?
Hey, Jamie.
To increase productivity.
Are those caffeine pills? At first, they're so exciting. And then it gets even more exciting. But after that, it gets so scary. And in the end, you ruin your girl group's shot at a recording contract. What?
I'm so excited.
That's what you came up with? Really? So Zach Morris may or may not be in this.
What the hell are you doing?
What the hell are you doing?
What the hell are you doing? What the hell are you doing?
What the hell are you doing?
What the hell are you doing?
All right, so moving on from that. Why Saved by the Bell? What the heck? You just want to ruin a classic. Come on, man. You just want to ruin a classic. What the heck? Okay. All right, guys, I'm composed. I'm sorry. All right. So I have another one. Go ahead. Why don't we reboot Wonder Years, but make it a black family? Wait a minute. So you wanna reboot Wonder Years, the classic, Kevin, Winnie, the whole crew, Paul. You wanna reboot Wonder Years, and you wanna make it a black family this time?
What the hell are you doing?
What the hell are you doing?
Man, I'm sick of this, man.
What the hell are you doing?
Who is in agreement with this? Who is in agreement with this? Lee Daniels and Fred Savage. You talking about the dude from Empire? That Lee Daniels, the one that did Butler, I like that movie. But the one from Empire, Lee Daniels, he's a part of this. He thought that was a good idea. Lee Daniels. You talking about the dude that owes Damon Dash $2 million. That Lee Daniels. Not another Lee Daniels, that Lee Daniels. Mr. Empire himself. He wants to ruin the Wonder Years empire. Oh, man. And Fred Savage. The homie from Little Monsters. Fred Savage, Mr. Kevin Arnold himself. Dafford, the original, the star of Wonder Years. Oh, man, Lord help me. Please.
What the hell are you doing?
What the hell are you doing?
Bro, what are y'all thinking, man? Like, well, hold on, bro. I know who you are. I was, man, I've been thinking about this for a while. I'm like, man, remember I told you I knew you from somewhere? You the same cat that recommended the Home Alone reboot, didn't you? And not with Macaulay Culkin in it either, right? You're that cat. Come on, man. Oh my gosh. Any other recommendations? Anybody? Y'all out there? Come on, give me something. Come on, give me a recommendation. Somebody, please help me smile. Please, somebody give me something. I have another one. Reboot Golden Girls and make them black. What the hell? What's up with you and changing it to black people, bro? Come on, man. Why you want to Golden Girls? What? Come on, bro. I just can't, bro. I just can't, bro. I can't. Wait, I have one more. We should reboot Doogie Howser and make it a female. I can't do this, y'all.
What the hell are you doing?
Where's my kid?
There's no trip. No. Hurry up.
How about a Doogie Howser remake?
I'm done with you. I can't.
Yeah, I want to leave too, but I have
rules.
more promotions and things to do.
They
so
changed the rules.
Bruh, what are y'all? Oh, I can feel my blood pressure. I can feel it, man. I'm so hot, man. I got the AC on. I'm supposed to be chilling and cool, man. I'm in Florida. It's probably 100 degrees outside, but man, I'm feeling hot right now, bro. Like, come on, man. Saved by the Bell, Wonder Years, Golden Girls, and now Doogie Howser? Listen. Listen, you get that damn button. If you're out there, listen, if y'all are out there and y'all agreeing with this nonsense, if y'all are excited about these reboots, we got to do a better job, man. We got to get some creativity, man. COVID-19 is really, 2020 is really ruining people's minds, man. Come on, man. We done lost enough people. We done lost enough things. There's been enough evictions. There's been enough jobs lost, man. This is what we gonna do to the people. They want some type of entertainment. This is what we giving them? These cheap ass reboots? Come on, man. I know what y'all doing. Y'all been chilling with Michael Bay. See, y'all just want to ruin people's childhood. That's what y'all want to do, man. That's what it is. I know Michael Bay's behind this, man. Michael Bay. I gotta look at these articles one more time, man, because I know his name. I don't know how I missed his name after he destroyed Transformers, and then he just crapped on my turtles. I still ain't forget that man, man. That man spit in every child's face, every turtle lover's face, and now he's haunting me again. This man, Michael Bay. Oh my goodness.
What the hell are you doing?
I'm out, man.
What the hell are you doing?
What the hell are you doing?